All right, my friend, welcome. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. I'm with my head trainer here, Stuart Carter, and in this video, we're gonna teach you how to do squat thrusts, which are one of the best core exercises that not just strengthens your core, but also burns a ton of fat. This is in the category of exercises we call metabolic core exercises, and it's very similar to mountain climbers and in some way burpees, and we have links to this all over this video and below in the description to those other ones too that you can watch next. But for now, we're gonna dive into exactly how to do squat thrust properly so you can get the most out of this exercise and start burning fat, building muscle, and seeing great results. Let's dive on in. FitFatherProject.com. All right, so to start the squat thrust, Stuart's gonna get down into proper position, which is gonna be in this 4-point position right here. And the squat thrusts, he is in this good, we call it like a plank position. The key things here is Stuart's arms are, like he has good tone in his arms. He's pushing through the palms of his hands. His core is tight. He's not letting his low back sag. He's contracting his glutes and his shoulder blades. He's pushing them down away from the floor. This is the start position. If you are in bad start position, we're gonna carry that through the squat thrust. Now the squat thrust, essentially, Stuart's gonna be taking both his legs and he's gonna be jumping them up through and right back down. So obviously this is engaging his core as he's bringing his legs through, but it's also very metabolic because he's gonna start doing these faster. So normally doing sets, I'd set a timer right here, and Stuart's gonna be doing these for time. He's gonna be jumping through and keep on going as fast as he can. And the key things are Stuart's contracting his core, and he's jumping on through, and he's trying to do quality reps as quickly as he can. So Stuart, pause for a second. I want you to show them what a bad squat thrust looks like. What happens when form breaks down? Really two things. So first off, show them the high thing. This is the high ass. This is what happens when you're not using your core and you jump your butt up. See how Stuart's back is rounding, his butt's raising? No go. That's the first problem. So again, we want to stay flat with the core, contract the abs, keep that flat back. Now show them the other problem, what can happen. If we have the dip back, so the reverse camel, if you will. This is what happens when then the back comes down right here. See that right there? Very dangerous on the lower back. So we want to make sure that when you're doing these, that you keep your core very tight, and if your form starts to break down during the timer, stop the timer. This is about safety first, and that's what we preach here at the Fit Father Project. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you got an idea of how to do squat thrusts. This is the foundation of more advanced exercises like burpees, which are also amazing for burning fat. And we have another video on how to do burpees that's linked here along this video that you can go check that out. It's also in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this, I want to invite you to subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We have exercise tutorials just like this, body weight workouts, stuff you can do with weights, how to build muscle over 40, how to burn fat if you have no time to work out. We cover all of that, plus the nutrition stuff that makes all the exercise work. So hope you love this. Check out some of our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you around. Thanks for being here.